Hey guys, today I'm here with a hairdo cheat code on how you can get a dope, super natural looking style without having to manipulate or expose your own hair. So what I'm going to be using to achieve this look is a unit courtesy of Her Given Hair. This is the Crowned in My Coils wig. This is what it looks like after I washed and let it air dry overnight. The texture is tightly coiled and has a nice resemblance to Afro natural hair. It comes with an adjustable elastic band already attached. And it has 3 combs, one on each side of the wig and one in the back. First thing I'm doing is cutting the lace off the unit. Here I'm pretty much just following the shape of the wig's hairline and cutting right where the hairs start. Before you apply the wig, of course, you want to make sure your own hair is nice and flat, and I also put on a stocking cap to protect my ends. Now I'm going to pop the wig on and get it in place to see if, everything looks okay. And it looks pretty good, but as you can see, some of my edges are still visible, and this happens to me a lot since my real hairline, it comes down pretty low on the sides, but that actually won't end up being an issue once we're all done, so no worries. If you have a hairline like me, it's okay. I'm using this Got2b Ultra Glued and applying a thin layer all around my front perimeter, and I like using this to ensure the wig stays in place and I don't get any lifting of the lace. Now I can bring the wig forward again and position it just how I want, and I'm letting those small bits of my natural edges peek through, and honestly I actually think this helps make the wig look a bit more realistic because it just flows really nicely from a density standpoint. Clip the hair away and then using a rat tail comb, press down the edges of the lace. Tie it all down with a scarf so it dries super flat. And I left my scarf on for about 15 minutes. Once the time is up and the scarf is off, I'm taking a makeup remover wipe and I'm gently wiping away that excess adhesive. And the front is now secure. To secure the back, I have my elastic band already tightened to keep it from shifting, and I'm bringing down the wig and also inserting the back comb for reinforcement. I didn't use the 2 side combs because the wig felt secure enough without them, so yeah, I didn't use those. So now I'm going to tame these curls a bit by spraying with some water and raking with my fingers. Then applying some gel on any of those frizzy areas to just help bring back the definition in the curl pattern. Next, I'm making a part, and I went in with my scissors to widen it up a bit more. To bring it out so the part looks more visible, I'm also applying some concealer, and I'm going to dab that in with my finger. Now I'm just going through and snipping off any pieces that look out of place to get that perfect fro shape. And then finally, because I felt like the hairline looked a bit too uniform and straight for my liking, I'm sectioning off a tiny sliver of hair at the beginning of the lace, and using that Got2b gel again and an edge brush, I'm slicking and shaping those edges. Fluff it all out, and bam! So this unit is great for us natural girls that want to give our own hair a break and protect it from this cold weather that's approaching, but we still want to rock those big, bold, fierce natural styles. This is perfect for that. And I love how this looks just like this, but I'm going to quickly show you guys an easy way to make this unit even more dope just by adding some pops of color. So I'm using this bronze liquid hair makeup, and you simply brush it on. I'm placing this on random pieces, mostly towards the ends. And there you go, instantly took this style to another level and got a whole new vibe in one step. And that's it, guys. So be sure to check out the description box for the link and all of the info on this Her Given Hair unit. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll catch up with you all soon on my next video. Bye.